Hello friends! Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn different formulas of sum based on provided data. And we will use here SumIf and SumIfS in Excel. And how we can use these formulas. First, we start with our usual sum formula. Sum formula provides use total of data. Now, we change its alignment to center. This is how we got the total of sales amount. Now, we move to second formula, SumIf. SumIf formula helps when we want conditional total. So we use formula equals to SumIf. First, we need to select range column for criteria or condition. And we want total by using the region data. Now, in the criteria, we can write our desired criteria. We need to insert criteria between these signs. Lastly, we need to select amount column for sum range. Now, we use here Format Painter to make formatting. First, we click on desired formatting cell and click on Format Painter option and finally click on required cell. We can also change its criteria from existing formula. Simply, we need to change region name. We can also make it more better by simply giving cell reference. We simply need to remove criteria. And now click on any cell for criteria reference. Now, we only need to insert here our desired criteria. It will save our time and efforts. Now, we move to our last formula, that is, SumIfS formula. This formula helps to take multiple criteria or conditions. So, we test our formula by using it. It helps to use multiple criteria in single formula. First, we need to provide sum range selecting sales amount column. Now, we move to our first criteria range. Now, we write here, criteria from criteria range. Now, we need to move to our second criteria range. So we need to select second criteria range column. Now, we need to mention our criteria from criteria range. So we use here, laptop as criteria. Now, we again use here, Format Painter for center alignment. Select all three columns for alignment. We again use here formula for different conditions. First, select sales amount as sales range. Now, select first criteria range column. Now, right here, first criteria. Now, we need to select second criteria range. Now, mention here, second criteria from criteria range column. This is how we have completed our SumIfS formula. Now, we only need to use common sum formula for total. Select both criteria cells. We can also change criteria range from SumIf formula. We simply need to drag column range from existing formula. This will help us to change criteria from existing formula. Now, test our formula by inserting criteria. This is how our SumIf and SumIfS formula works. If you face any issue while applying formula, please write in our comments section. And also requested to support by subscribe to our channel.